Alright, so we're back. Today we got Breeze Civic, and we're going to be doing a downpipe, catless downpipe, front pipe, and PRL Street Cobra intake. And then I got the K-tuner mounted up in her car, and we're just going to be throwing a 21 PSI tune on there. First couple things I'm going to get off. I'm going to get off this inlet for the intake. So we got to take this off. Then we got a few bolts, one down there, and I believe there's one hidden somewhere else. We're going to get the intake out. Then we're going to start working on getting off the bolts for the downpipe. And then do the same thing backwards. Alright, now that we got the intake and everything off up there, I'm going to remove the front pipe first just because it's the easiest to get out. There's 3 bolts there and 3 bolts here, these 2 brackets, that bracket. Get that off, and then after that I'm gonna remove what I can from underneath for the downpipe. Probably just take off the sensor, might disconnect it up top, and then get all that pulled out. Alright, so we got the heat shield off, front pipe is out, intake is obviously off. So now we just gotta get the 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts off for the downpipe, drop it down, and then we can get this all back together. Everything's off, so now I'm gonna get started. We're gonna put the downpipe in first and then work our way back from there. Alright, so the car's all finished up now. Now all we have left to do is turn on, we're gonna flash this tune, and we're gonna get a cold start. Intake noises and turbo noises on this thing are actually insane. Watch, let me see if I get a clip for you. Hold on.